are going to Siddharth Garden Zoo to explore different types of animals and stay with us till the end. Side is the ticket counter, so I am going to take 2 tickets for me and my brother. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Oh my God, black bug is there. See? Oi! 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 See, black buck and deers are running. Show me deer. Blue bug. Monkey is there. We are going to explore so many types of snake. Wow! Good eye! What a kite! Start tortoise! Python! So big! So I saw so many snakes. It was so dangerous. I got scared. Ostrich. Don't make noise. Tiger is drinking water. This rabbit is so cute. Pulley. It was really nice time to see some snakes, tigers and rabbits. So like our channel.